Hi, my name is Brian Whitlow Correa. I'm a Panamanian lawyer, and these are a few things you should know before hiring a lawyer in Panama. How do I know if someone is a certified lawyer in Panama? All certified lawyers have a certificate issued to them by the Supreme Court of Panama, with their license number, or número de idoneidad as it is called in Panama, date of issue, the lawyer's name, and cedula number. Many lawyers also now carry on their person a law license ID card, issued by the Supreme Court with the same information as the certificate, but also has a picture of the lawyer and a QR code to verify its authenticity. You can also verify the lawyer's information on the website of the Órgano Oficial, which is the judicial branch of Panama, as shown on the screen. Who can become a lawyer in Panama, and what's their training? By law, only citizens can become a lawyer. Foreigners can study law in Panama, but can only apply for a license to practice law after they become a naturalized Panamanian citizen. The degree needed is a 4-year licenciatura in law and political sciences. Most universities in Panama require law students to do internships, so they graduate with at least some practical experience. Since 2023, those who wish to become a certified lawyer in Panama must pass a professional knowledge exam or bar exam administered by the Supreme Court, which includes matters on legal ethics, client due diligence, basics of tax law, new legal trends, and basic knowledge on the aspiring lawyer's specialty of choosing, like civil law, criminal law, administrative law, or constitutional law. When I did it, I chose civil law. The test is free, and the Supreme Court also makes you take a 3-month prep course for the test. Overall, from when I graduated university to when I got my law license, it took me personally around another year between graduating, waiting for the course to start, taking the course, waiting for the exam date, waiting for the results of the exam, and waiting for the approval of the license after I filed the right paperwork. Panamanian lawyers have a minimum fee table they must follow. Yes, it's true. Even though the Google AI says otherwise, which proves you can't always trust AI. Panamanian lawyers can't charge too low for particular services as it's considered unethical and unfair competition. They must charge the same or more to what's fixed on the fee table. Although certain lawyers do try to remain competitive by giving free consults in order to secure future service, or including certain expenses in their legal fees that would otherwise be charged separately. And some law firms do take on certain pro bono cases for those who need. The latest minimum fee table was, as of the recording of this video, under Acuerdo 609A of June 4th, 2021, la Sala Cuarta de Negocios Generales de la Corte Suprema for the 4th Hall of General Affairs for the Supreme Court. I've left a link to the latest minimum fee table in the description. Panamanian lawyers have a code of ethics. The latest code of ethics for Panamanian lawyers is from 2023. It includes chapters on lawyers' dealings with public servants, clientele, professional fees, conflicts of interest, publicity, illicit behaviors. There are certain violations of ethics, such as divulging professional secrets. The link for this is also in the description. If you feel like a lawyer violated ethics in his dealings with you, you can file a complaint with the Colegio de Abogados or the Sala Cuarta de Negocios Generales. We're going to get free and reliable legal advice. Many lawyers are happy to answer basic general legal questions on the chance you might hire their services, but that's not always the case. Many of the law faculties at different Panamanian universities, like the Universidad de Panama, USMA, and Universidad Latina, have consultorios jurídicos, which are small offices run by law students and their professors that offer free legal advice to the general public. Defensoría del Pueblo is an independent government office that investigates human rights violations when it's believed that another government office isn't following the law, and can offer advice on these matters or guide you to proper authorities. The órgano judicial also has an office for the defense of victims of crimes, which is where I did one of my internships in university, where, as the name suggests, offers legal assistance and representation to those who are victims of a crime and cannot afford legal representation by their own means. So, that's it. Tell me what you think, or if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Like and follow. My name is Whitlow Correa, and I'm a Panamanian attorney. My contact info is in the description and in my profile. See you later.